With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Which of the following is not a plant factor regulating the photosynthesis? Age of leaf, number of mesophyll cells, atmospheric carbon dioxide concentration, or amount of chlorophyll. There are basically two types of factor which regulate photosynthesis. They are internal factors. There are external factors. Internal factors include age, size, number, orientation of leaves, also number of chlorophyll present inside the plant. These are all internal factors which affect photosynthetic rate, whereas there are several external factors as well which affect the rate of photosynthesis. For example, light. So light, that too light's intensity. Light's intensity affect only those plants which are present in shady region, which are present in dense forest, dense regions. So if intensity for those plants, if the intensity of light it is low, then rate of photosynthesis will also be low. Whereas of light intensity for these plants, if it is high, then rate of photosynthesis will be high as well. Second factor for light will be the wavelength of light that is reaching to our plant. The perfect wavelength for photosynthesis is from 400 to 700 nanometer, this range, and mostly red and blue region of visible spectrum. This is most suitable for photosynthesis, whereas the green region of visible range, it slows down the process of photosynthesis. So these are two limiting factors of light which affect photosynthesis. There is another factor, for example, carbon dioxide concentration. If this carbon dioxide concentration it is greater than 0.05% of what is present in the present atmosphere, then it might be fatal for the plant. Otherwise, carbon dioxide concentration is not a limiting factor for photosynthesis. Temperature can be another factor to affect photosynthesis. So usually plants which are used to the hot areas or hot habitats, they are used to increase temperature. So when temperature is high, only then they will be able to do photosynthesis at a higher rate. Whereas the plants which are adapted to cold habitats, for them only low temperature is suitable for better rate of photosynthesis. Another factor is water. In plants, usually only 10% of water is used during photosynthesis for photolysis of water, and other 90% it is lost in transpiration. Mainly water is used by the plant for transport of ions, hormones, etc., and to balance the turgor osmotic pressure inside the plant cells. So yes, these are the factors that affect photosynthesis, external and internal factors. Let us look at our options now. Age of leaf, yes, it affects the photosynthesis, the rate of photosynthesis. Number of mesophyll cells, no. Number of mesophyll cells it do not affect, because mesophyll cells contain chlorophyll, and the amount of chlorophyll is what affects rate of photosynthesis. So mesophyll cell is not a limiting factor for photosynthesis. Atmospheric carbon dioxide concentration, it affects the rate of photosynthesis. If it is greater than 0.05% of the current atmospheric carbon dioxide, then it might be fatal for the plant as well. Fourth option says amount of chlorophyll. Yes, amount of chlorophyll also affects the rate of photosynthesis. So our answer to this question will be option number 2, number of mesophyll cells.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.